welcome to Communication Matters. Today we're discussing the fundamental elements of communication. Understanding these building blocks can help you convey ideas effectively, build strong relationships, and succeed in personal and professional settings. Let's dive in. The first element is the sender, the person initiating the communication. The sender rules involves encoding the message, putting through into words, choosing the communication channel, verbal, non-verbal, written, considering the audience and context. Effective senders clarify their message, consider feedback, and adapt their communication style. Message. The second element is the message itself. This includes content, the information being conveyed, structure, organization, and clarity, tone, emotional resonance. Clear, concise message increase understanding and engagement. The third element is the communication channel. This can be verbal, non-verbal, written. Verbal, face-to-face phone calls, non-verbal, body language, facial expression, written, emails, and text. Choosing the right channel ensure your message reaches the intended audience effectively. Receiver. The fourth element is the receiver. The fourth element is the receiver, the person interpreting the message. Receivers decode the message or interpret the information. Provide feedback, verbal or non-verbal cues. Influence the communication dynamic. Active listening and clear feedback are crucial for effective communication. Element 5. Feedback. The fifth element is feedback, the response or reaction to the message. Feedback confirms understanding, clarifies misunderstanding, encourages continuous improvement. Open communication channels foster constructive feedback. The sixth element is context. The environment, culture, and situation surrounding communication. Consider cultural nuances, social norms, environmental factors. Context awareness helps tailor message and avoid misunderstanding. The seventh element is noise. Obstacle the interfering with communication. Noise can be physical, background noise, psychological bias, distraction, semantic language barriers. Minimizing noise ensures clear communication. Basta hindi ka po nakabal.
Wala. Okay na, padayon. It's okay.
Understanding these 7 elements, sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback, context, and noise, helps you communicate effectively. Remember, clarify your message, choose the right channel, consider your audience, encourage feedback, and adapt to context. By mastering these elements, you'll enhance your personal and professional relationship. Thanks for tuning in to Communication Matters. Join us next time for more insight and effective communication. For a deeper dive, consider exploring resources like the communication. Feel free to reach out with question or share your communication tips.
Sumpay ko. Yeah, that's all for...
Thank you. Okay, 5 minutes na lang. 5 minutes na lang. Magkita na lang. Okay, ma'am. Maura to.
Pasar niya siya, pasar.
Ma'am, maura to, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Kaya ako mother, manggod. Kaya dili, manggod talak ko mo na. I don't have time to... Ay, Lang ilan.